Welcome to Unclogged Conversations, powered by Larry Stinson Plumbing, or Stinson Plumbing.
It's Stinson Plumbing now.
Yeah.
Gotta drop the Larry.
So, got Scott with me again today.
Always a pleasure.
So, we're going to talk about, Stinson Plumbing, I guess, is the first thing we talk about since I dropped that one.
Yeah.
People probably say, why are they calling themselves Stinson now? I don't know. But anyways, Stinson is just a marketing thing, really. It looks better on the vans.
Yeah.
We're still the same company.
Yeah. No.
I got to drop 5 letters off the van.
Yeah, really. It's just so you can make the Stinson part bigger. Yeah.
And the new van that we can drop a picture in this one of the new van and be wrapping the rest of them here shortly. But it looks pretty cool.
No, I'm a fan. I like it. You can see that name clear across the parking lot. No problem.
So Stinson Plumbing now. Like I said, nothing but marketing, but same company, same morals, same goals, same everything.
Yeah.
And we touched on a little bit last episode about the selling and stuff that we're doing and training that we did, and decided to see that come to take care of the customers more.
Yes.
What that really is about.
Yeah.
And so the other thing that we added is memberships.
Yes. Very excited about the memberships. I was always a little trepidatious on them, but they're really just worth it all around. Mm-hmm. I mean, once you actually see them put into practice and everything, I mean, you really just can't beat it.
Well, it's the whole goal behind it is so every company out there, every plumbing company, HVAC company, electrical company, any service company out there is spending a ton of money to market.
Yes.
And it is getting more and more ridiculous as we go.
Yes.
And so what a lot of companies have done, and I'm not the first to do this and definitely won't be the last, is they're taking some of that money that they spend and trying to build their own clientele, their members, their whatever you want to call it, and spend less money on marketing to those people and pass along the savings to those people.
Yeah.
And so when you join the membership of our company or pretty much any company, you get a discounted price anywhere from 5 to 15%. We're at 12. So you get 12% off any calls, including the first call of buying the membership.
Yeah.
And then you get, for a year of buying that membership, you get the discount, the 12% from any other call you do in that year or any other service you need.
Yeah. Which plumbing likes to pop up when you least want it to.
And I've seen the negatives of, people always saying, they're just trying to get you and to sell you more. No, that's not the whole idea of membership.
And that's what I thought originally. But once seeing it put into practice, that's not what it is.
It's just about allocating the money somewhere else.
Yes.
And I either can spend $100 a phone call through Google to get you to call me through Google, or I could save you several $100s on putting a new water heater in about you joining a membership.
Yeah. And you get more benefits than just
saving
just
money.
The 12%.
So explain to them how membership works. Especially the last part of it, the return trip. So we do pull a water heater. Like I sold a water heater last week. Mm-hmm. And I think the biggest thing besides the saving money that the guy liked was, I'm going to come back 11 months from today, and we're going to flush this water heater, check it out, make sure everything's still working like it should. And then you can make the decision whether you want to rejoin the membership or not at that time. But you know that we came back 11 months later and checked on that water heater, that big investment that you made in the house.
Yes. And everybody should be flushing their water heater every year anyways. And it's normally, whatever company you go to, you're probably looking at $150 to $300. Mm-hmm. Just that's it. Well, the membership's less than that. So it's already paid for itself if you're doing proper maintenance on your water heater.
Yep.
And, if you're one of those people that do it yourself, like that's fine and all, but if you have a membership, why do it? It's like free oil changes. And why would you pass that up?
One thing I heard that we have not done, and I heard this in a training class that I took yesterday, was so when you go back, and I intend on implementing this on our return trips. So when you do go back and you do flush that water heater, pull that element out, the bottom element. Let's see what it looks like.
I like that.
And if it's all corroded and nasty, well, now we got other issues that we need to address.
Yeah.
This has only been sitting here for 1 year.
Why does it already look that bad?
Yeah. Where, other water heaters that have been there, the one we replaced might have been there for 10, 11, 15 years. So that's kind of hard to tell. Yeah, you expect them all to be that way.
Yeah.
But this is a way to check this is what it's doing. We need to address this and fix it.
Which will generally lead back to filtration.
Yeah.
Because water is just so rough on appliances.
Yep. And that's where you show it.
And it trashes your water heater too.
But the problem is most people don't even realize it until 7, 8, 9 years when the thing's out of warranty and it's leaking now.
Yeah. You just can't see inside that thing.
So let's touch on what's going to happen in about 4 or 5 years with electric water.
2029?
Yeah.
Ooh, I have confirmed it's 2029. Yeah, they're going away.
Mm-hmm. Heat pumps only.
Yep.
So this is the time, if your water heater is out now, this is the time to start doing maintenance from this point forward.
Yes, to make it last as long as you can. It's also a good time to go ahead and get the heat pump while they're still doing the rebates, because 2029 they're gone.
Oh yeah,
and you're paying full price for for a unit that's twice as expensive.
I don't even know if the rebates will be here in 2029.
That's
what
my ream rep said. He does not the one that makes all those decisions. That's a government decision, not a water heater supplier decision.
28 at the latest. That's here.
Yeah.
I think that's something that they're just doing, trying to push them now. But it is a good savings.
Yeah. Especially right now with membership, you get an extra 12%.
Yeah. So,
but
heat pumps.
That is coming.
And, of course, I figure it won't be long they'll go after tank top gas. With the UEF rating on that.
I would imagine eventually that's coming too. And you're going to have to go with a condensing tankless.
Yep. Because they're trying to get rid of the non-condensings now.
Yeah, because they're just not a high enough efficiency rating, which I still don't agree with.
Which we'll do a podcast on UEF. I watched one the other day, and I think I can do better. But that's interesting rating. UEF is
the
energy.
How they rate it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we'll do one on that.
I guess I've only just heard the numbers. Never really knew all the science that went into it.
I was interested, but I was like, I think he didn't do a good job of explaining it. I think I can do it better.
Yeah.
So we'll touch on that in the near future. Back to memberships before we wander off too far off the path.
Yeah, but again, coming out, servicing it every year, making sure that water heater stays good every year. We'll make sure from now, it's only 2025, we can keep that electric water heater going well past 29. Especially keeping up with the maintenance and trying to catch any other issues that would come up, which we're going to be stopping by once a year.
Yeah,
anyways.
And so you get the water heater flushed, and we'll go to your house and ask you if you got any issues, if you had, and we'll look at them. And if something needs to be fixed, we'll give you a price, and you can re-up your memberships and keep it going.
Yeah.
And so that's the big thing behind membership. Look forward to doing it. We sold a handful of them.
Yeah. Got a few out. Yeah, we just
started last week. I sold the first one last week.
Yeah.
I was proud of myself.
Good job.
But it's exciting. We didn't fully understand them. Me and you were on the side of everybody's doing it. Why are they doing it?
Yeah.
Is it just to get more work? And that's part of it.
And that is part of it. But, again, we could throw more at advertising to get more work if that's the way we wanted to go.
And so when I finally fully understood what it's for, I had some training on that. I was like, okay, now I can sell them.
Yeah.
And so we're excited about them. And look forward to more and more members coming along. You're getting a free magnet when you get them. They're supposed to be here next week. So
that's exciting.
Get you a free refrigerator magnet out of it.
I do like a good magnet.
Yep. Austin, you got anything you want to add to memberships?
What else is included in the memberships?
So you get the discount. You get the return trip. You'll get exclusive promotional item, texting, emails.
Get our specials.
You get priority scheduling.
Oh, that is a big one, the priority scheduling. Yep. You get bumped to the front of the line.
Yep. So if you call and you got a issue, you get bumped above a non-member as soon as we can get to you.
Yeah.
I'm sure there's more, but off the top of my head, that's
Should
it.
grab the pamphlet.
I know. But the biggest thing is the savings, the return trip, and the priority scheduling,
Yeah. Those are the big
and
ones.
exclusive offers for members.
Yeah.
What else you got, Austin?
What's the cost of it?
$129.
129. Which again, on your big enough projects.
Water heater, the one I sold, I basically gave him the membership for free and the savings he did.
Yeah. Yeah. So why not go ahead and get the membership?
I didn't say any more than that.
Yeah.
Can customers auto renew?
Not at this time.
Yeah. That.
That is part of the, coming back and return tripping. We debated on some companies do monthly billing where you have to cancel it after a year. I'm not personally a big fan of that with stuff I buy. So I opted out of doing that.
Yeah. Just one and done.
And so we decided to just do one upfront fee and then go from there. Anything else? Somebody's knocking on the door, sounds like.
That's all I have.
That's all you got, Austin? All right. Anything else you want to touch on this one?
I didn't think that about covers our memberships and.
Look for the new yard signs. Who wants to be the first one to get a yard
Are they
sign?
coming?
They're coming.
Oh, nice. That'll be good.
It's going to be cool.
That'll be good. I like that.
Comment. No. I personally will bring it to your house and put it in your yard. First one that can comment.
Remember this podcast nationwide. Fly to Wisconsin.
If you're in the DFW area.
There you go.
I personally will come in. Now I'll mail you one if you want one from somewhere
I
else.
was gonna say, if it's a really cool place, we might.
I might come. Got good barbecue. I really. Yeah. All right. Anything else, Austin?
That's it.
That's it. Thank y'all for joining. Don't forget to comment, like, and share, and subscribe, and all the other buttons down there.
Huh?
Ring it.
Hit that notification bell.
Yeah. That way you know when I get a new one. All right, y'all have a good evening. We thank y'all very much for tuning in to Unclogged Conversations powered by Stinson Plumbing.